This spicy plantain puff puff can serve as breakfast snack. You can also enjoy it anytime. It's so delicious and satisfying. Keep watching and let's do this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. First, you want to measure in 5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. I will give it a good mix. Next, I will peel my 2 overly ripe plantain. As you can see, the skin of the plantain is black. You may think it's not good or useful, so don't throw away your overly ripe plantain. Instead, use it to make this recipe. It's so delicious. I'm going to mash it with my fork. You can also blend. You guys, I like the chunks in my puff puff, so I'm going to add it in my flour and begin to add water gradually until I achieve my desired texture. The batter is not supposed to be runny or too thick. It should be in between like this. Once that is done, I will cover and allow it to rest for 1 hour. 1 hour later, the batter has doubled in size. I'm going to add my chopped onions and peppers. Mix very well to combine. Meanwhile, I have preheated my oil and it's time to fry. I'm going to scoop in the batter with my ice cream scoop and fry on a medium heat until golden brown. You guys, this recipe is super delicious and I hope you give it a try. Enjoy the rest of the video.